Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have come with a new subject matter and I will be discussing how to open Microsoft Word with its table of content as well as saving it. All you need to do is subscribe, like, share and comment because that is very important. So before we go into the practical bit of it, I would want us to know why we choose Microsoft Word and why I would actually like to educate you about it. Microsoft Word is a software that helps us to create documents and edit them. We can use Microsoft Word in business proposals, business reports, research work, essay, letter writing, to mention but a few. So that's the brief note I can give you about Microsoft Word, because I always like to give my viewers or my learners an overview of what we are going to do practically. So with that brief words, let's go to the practical aspect of it. So on your computer, when you open your computer, when you open your computer and you want to start your Microsoft Word page, so all you need to do is you click on your start button like I did, and you're able to see the menu being displayed there. Then you scroll through searching for the Microsoft Word icon, and mine is right there. So you tap on the icon and you're able to see your templates being displayed. You choose one of your choice. Like for this particular session, I am going to choose on the blank document, which is right there. So all we need to do on opening a Microsoft Word is just that. It's that simple step. So once your page is open, now you're able to see your page and you're able to input all the data and the documents you want. So like for this particular case, let us do, just for an illustration, I am going to be talking about computer right now. So if our topic is computer right now, we are going to type computer, which is right there. When you've typed computer and you don't want to continue typing, like since this is not a sentence, it's just like a word computer, you only have to, you press on the enter and you go to the next line, just like I did. And now I'm going to start a next line. So in our next line, we are going to define computer. So what is a computer? So you can see me typing the definition of a computer. So a computer, this is an electronic device used to input data, processes it. So yeah, this is another way, like what I really wanted to show you people, like a computer detects errors. So as you can see on my monitor, you're able to see there is an error. So all you need to do is you correct that error. You go back to that wherever the line is showing you, and you correct the error by clicking, and you click on that line that shows error, and it's and you correct the necessity. So here we have we are continuing with our definition of the computer, which is an electronic device used to input data, processes it, stores and outputs and information. So there, that is the definition of a computer. So what are we going to do next? The examples, because this is just like this is just an illustration. So I'm going to show you people. So what are the examples of computer? We have the laptops, we have the smartphones. Yes, the smartphones. So to mention but a few, this is just like an illustration. So assuming this is all we want to do in page 1 and we want to go to the next page, what do we need to do? On your keyboard we have the control. You have control and enter. So all you need to do is you press on the control and without lifting your hand, press on the enter, and there you, as simple as that, you have your next page. So on our next page we are going to be talking about components of a computer. So just like that, what are the components of a computer? We have the hardware, then software. They are only categorized into those two. So let's also assume that we are done with our page 2. I already told you people how to go to the next page. So we are only going to deal with these 2 pages for the purpose of illustration. Now we want to edit our data because we are done creating our data. Now we want to edit it. So all you need to do is I want us to begin with page 1. So here is our page 1, and since computer is just like a topic, we are going to edit computer because we want it to be like we are making notes. So if you're making notes, if it is like this, you're unable to know that which one is the topic, which one is the subheading. So we are going to do our creating. So all you need to do is you tap on that, then you drag it slowly, and that is being seen. Then you simply tap on that, like we are now trying to edit. This is for bold. Now see, at least from here it differs from the rest of the writings. So if you don't want that, you can underline it there. If you want to underline, you underline that. Then if you want to give it another color, a font color, you tap on that, and you see it displayed here. So you choose on the color you want. For instance, I've chosen that. Now you can see. So if that is how you want your heading to look like, it will definitely be like that. So since examples is also more of a subheading, let's come and edit our example here. So you hold that, you press on that and you drag it. So we are only interested in dragging the examples. So with that, we can actually underline it just to make it differ, because example is not the topic is a computer, so we are just trying to edit our work the way you want it. Like, this is what I've chosen, your preferences might also be different. Then the examples of a computer is this. We can edit it also. Yeah, we can also edit the examples of computer in a way that you want it to be. So like say for instance, I have this. So here we have the laptop being the example. There we want to bullet it, so there you also come to this, then you bullet that. So you find that we have edited all we wanted from page 1. So if you want to go to your page 2 to also do the same, you scroll down. Then we have components of computer. Now components of computer being the subheading here, we are going to make it bold. Yes, just like I'm doing here for the components of computer. And there we have so this is just to show you how to use to open Microsoft Word, how to input your data and how to edit it. There are very many ways of editing. You can underline, you can only give it bold, you can bullet them, you can number them in any way. So that is just the brief. Having gotten done with your data, how to create, at least we have learned a lot of things right now. So we are going to saving our document. So when you're going to save, there is that on the top left corner, you'll be able to read that Word file. You click on the file. You click on the file, then you see that menu displayed. You choose Save As, and once you choose Save As, you'll be able to see that display under Save As. So you choose which one you want. Either you give the place where you want to save your document. If you choose this PC, as you can see there, well and good, or you add a place, or you can choose your other folders. Then maybe you can choose browser. So I'm going to choose this PC for this particular case, or I can actually choose the browser as well. So here we have been given that option. We have to give our document a name so that we are able to access it easily. So here is where you give it the name. So for instance, I am going to name this Bonita, and you can see there I didn't delete the name it had given it, so I can actually understand Bonita Computer is the document I created. So you actually click on this save, and there your document is saved. This is the most simplest way, and please don't get scared in using computer. With me, I got you covered, and you are going to be learning everything you need here. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.